What's your job on the CYGNET study?
I'm the director of a coordinating center that puts all the studies together. So my role has changed slightly. I'm a researcher in the study, but also an overall director.
How does neighborhood crime affect health, regardless of socioeconomic status?
Well, it's an open question. There's a lot of belief and understanding that neighborhood crime certainly has an impact on how people behave, but it's, I think, an ongoing area for research. One of the things that we think happens is when crime's around, it makes you, it increases the level of stress in your environment. And we think that stress has an impact on hormones and chemicals, like Dr. Greenspan studies. So we want to understand what the pathway is from an environmental condition that causes stress hormones to increase in the body that then have bad effects on heart disease and other conditions. Now, there's a condition, for instance, called hypervigilance that you can understand. If crime's happening in your neighborhood, you're looking for problems. You're sort of hyper aware of it. When you walk down the sidewalk, you're worried about who you're going to encounter or what's happening around the corner. That all increases your stress level. And those hormones can have longer-term impacts on health. That's a simple sort of explanation. It gets much more complicated, but you get the idea.
Spread the word. Help your community by telling people you know that some products contain dangerous chemicals that can change how hormones work in your body. Teach people why it is important to use products without these chemicals.
Help the community learn about how exposure to chemicals in the environment can affect your health, and explain why we need to learn more from researchers and spread awareness about what we can do to prevent exposure.
Even though you can't always see what's going on in your body, bad choices can still affect you. Talk to health professionals to learn where to start making healthy choices, like how much exercise you should get and how to make healthier food choices.